hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Cedar Creek. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
GSP is going to issue it too.
East Mount Fairfield County in central South Carolina, east central Newberry County and The National Weather Service in Columbia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Fairfield County in central South Carolina, east central Newberry County in central South Carolina, north central Lexington County, northwest at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected.
Columbia is beautiful.
Miles south of VC Summer Nuclear Station, moving northwest at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways or walk through high water. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in South Carolina, Fairfield, and Newberry. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in South Carolina, Fairfield, and Newberry. 6 p.m. Eastern. National Weather Service in Greenville, Spartanburg. Warning for southeastern McDowell, and falling. Western North Carolina, northwestern Cleveland County, and the Piedmont, North Carolina.
People should have thought like that.
Outstanding. County in western North Carolina, northwestern Cleveland County, in the Piedmont of North.
You've been praying for. Email your
until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Weather Service in Greenville, Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern McDowell County in western North Carolina, Rutherford County in western North Carolina, northwestern Cleveland, southeastern McDowell County in western North Carolina, Rutherford County in western North Carolina. Expect damage to snow and shingles. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest of a large hail and damage. Thermal City. A severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles northeast of Forest City, or 5 miles west of Oakville, moving northwest at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and any size hail. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding. flooding to the next. Continuous cloud to ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers in North Carolina, Burke, Cleveland, McDowell, and Rutherford. The National Weather Service in Greenville, Sparta. Our Facebook page. On our Facebook. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina: Burke, Cleveland, McDowell, and Rutherford. Thermal City,
No doubt about that was going to be coming.
The National Weather Service in Greenville, Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm in McDowell County before it Polk County in western North Carolina, southeastern Buncombe County in western North Carolina, until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
There's the storm out there.
A severe thunderstorm was located 13 miles northwest of Rutherford or near Lake Lure, moving north at 10 miles per hour. Direct expect miles per hour. In fact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations include White House, Swananoa, Lake Lure, Old Fort, Rock Village, Rock State Park, Greenville, Montreat, and McCain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud to ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet us using hashtag NWSGST. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina: Buncombe, McDowell, Polk, and Rutherford. The National Weather Service in Greenville, Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern McDowell County in western North Carolina, northwestern Rutherford County in western North Carolina, north central Polk County in western North Carolina, southeastern Buncombe County in western North Carolina, until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 13 miles northwest of Rutherford.
I'm in hell.
Chimney Rock Village.
I am in hell.
Shingle Hollow, Lake Lure, Montreat, and Batcave. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Continuous cloud to ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet us using hashtag NWSGST. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina: Buncombe, McDowell, and Rutherford. The current time is 8:47 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This is NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards, WNG 538 broadcasting from a tower on Grandmother Mountain, near Linville, North Carolina, operating on a frequency of 162.450 megahertz. This transmitter is serving the northern foothills and northern mountains of North Carolina. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for northeast Georgia, the mountains and foothills of North Carolina, and upstate South Carolina. For today and tonight, scattered thunderstorms are expected to develop this afternoon and evening, with gusty winds, small hail, frequent lightning, and torrential downpours possible. A few of the storms could become severe with damaging wind gusts the main threat. The storms should diminish.
Great. There's a bunch of lightning around me. It's over there, it's over here, it's over there, it's over... Where? Everywhere. I don't think there's anyone there.
Wednesday.
You gotta be kidding me.
Savannah River.
You gotta be kidding me. These storms, are literally causing all of the stations to be completely...
Weather radio, all hazards for the latest updates.
Like, look at this.
Here is the latest tropical weather.
Listen to this.
Cloudy with a chance of showers and thunderstorms in
That's Bristol.
date 92
That's WXJ 20.
miles an hour.
WXL 70.
Lows in the lower 70s.
KHC 27.
Service forecast for the listening area. Tonight, mostly
That's
cloudy
fucking-
this evening. Then partly cloudy after midnight.
WXJ 23.
Lows in the
KHA
lower
35 in Orangeburg.
Winds 5 to
Or
10
KHB
miles an hour.
35.
Chance of rain.
No, I'm sorry. No. KHC 29 in Barnwell.
Mostly sunny.
This is Orangeburg.
Highs in the lower 90s. Southeast winds around 5 miles an hour. Friday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the lower 70s.
This is some wacky shit.
Southeast winds around 5 miles an hour. Saturday, mostly sunny. A chance of showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs in the lower 90s.